Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. Today we are introduce iPhone 15 models. These are the new iPhone 15 Ultra, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max smartphone. This is the first look hands-on at what the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro will look like. There was a big video with dummies of upcoming Apple smartphones, and many rumors and leaks have been confirmed to know all this here. Please watch the video till the end. And if you are new here for all real tech news, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. Ahead of new iPhone launches, case makers invest significant money into sourcing leak details on updated design to be the first to come out with suitable cases that often result in dummy models that are accurate duplicates of future iPhones, such as the iPhone 15 dummy models that we are getting today. Resources make rumors go dummies of all four smartphones of the iPhone 15 lineup. Such blanks are used to show that case manufacturer can create their product in advance. In general, these dummies confirm what we already know for a long time. Outwardly, the new iPhone 15 will offer minimally from the corresponding iPhone 14. The same dimensions, the same shapes, and approximately the same thickness of cases and camera modules will remain. At the same time, new products will have USB-C connected instead of Lightning. Other models will supposedly have a narrower frame around the screen, and the corners of the case at the back cover have become rounded, which should have a positive effect on the comfort of grab. Of course, rumors about titanium frame in older models cannot be confirmed by dummies, as well as information about the Presico model in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It is also impossible to confirm or deny rumors that the younger iPhone 15 has a dynamic island cutout. Recall, according to recent rumors, the main camera and screen of the iPhone 15 Pro Max will remain the same as the current Apple models. According to the available data, all four new iPhones in 2023 are also expected to have the dynamic island instead of a notch. That will effectively mark the end of the notch in Apple's flagship iPhone lineup right now. Dynamic island is limited to the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max smartphone, but even the lower price iPhone 15 will have the updated design in 2023. The new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max dummy models features a unified volume button, but their design tweak may have been changed last minute. It is expected that the new iPhone 15 line will officially launch in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.